Alright guys, today we have 2017-2018 Donruss. This is a blaster I picked up today at Walmart. As you can see, it's marked down $14.98, down from $20. So normally I wouldn't buy Donruss this late with the season being over, because really I have almost everything in here as far as singles and stuff and rookies. But $14.98, figured I'd buy it, give it a shot. One hit. So what do we have to lose? Let's open it up and see what we got. As you can see, 11 packs. So let's get it started here. Pack number 1. Courtney Lee, Miles Turner, Kemba Walker, Mark Gasol. The champ is here, David West. It's an odd one to get, I guess. Thomas Bryant rookie, Doug McDermott, Semi Ojeleye rookie, and that's it for pack number 1. Pack number 2. J.R. Smith, Jamal Crawford, Stanley Johnson, Taurean Prince. It's a nice Shaquille O'Neal Hawkins. Jonathan Simmons, Wesley Iwundu rookie, and J.J. Redick. Pack number 3. Pat Beverly, Dwight, Tobias Harris, Willie Hernangomez, Steph Curry wishful thinking insert. Really like that card. Derek White rookie. Devin Booker base. Icon Bago. I probably murdered that last name. Rookie for the Pacers. Alright, next pack. Domantas Sabonis, Damari Carroll, Mike Conley, Derrick Rose, Jimmy Butler All-Stars, Al-Farouq Aminu, Sterling Brown rookie, and Otto Porter. Alright, next pack. Jimmy Butler, Avery Bradley, Dennis Schroeder, Darren Collison, Zach Collins rookie Kings, Devon Reed rookie, Enes Kanter, and Tony Bradley rookie. Alrighty, next pack. Dion Waiters, Gary Harris, Drew Holiday, Kid Gilchrist. It's a nice Bill Russell retro series. Yabusele rookie, Tyler Ulis, and Justin Jackson rookie. So you gotta load you down with the rookies in Donruss. If you're looking for this year's rookie class, you can't go wrong with Donruss or Hoops, Blasters. Get a lot of rookies. Here we go. Chandler Parsons, Seth Curry, Karl Anthony Towns, KD, Frank Ntilikina rookie Kings, CJ McCollum, Juwan Evans rookie, and Willie Cauley-Stein. I bought a few blasters of these, and I've yet to pull an autograph out of the blasters, so that would be nice. There's Sonny Silva, Blake Griffin, Chris Dunn, Justice Winslow. Oh, I like this. Jason Tatum, the rookies. I actually do not have that. That's a nice card. Damian Dotson, rookie. LaMarcus Aldridge. Zagorich, rookie. I've seen this guy a little bit, but sorry, yeah, I give up. Rookie. Next pack. This will be our jersey card, so I'll put that to the side and save it for last. Let's hope that it's a nice name rookie, because the last one I got was I think it was a Bam Adebayo rookie jersey that which ain't bad, but it could be better. Macklemore, Harrison Barnes, Andrew Wiggins, Steph Curry. It's a nice parallel orange. Zebo, not numbered. Jordan Bell rookie, Marquise Chris, and Frank Mason rookie. Okay, 2 packs. Malcolm Delaney, Gallinari, Jeremy Lamb, James Johnson. Oh, here's a LeBron All-Stars, actually, for my personal collection. The GOAT. Damian Lillard. Another guy I like, Josh Hart. Josh Hart rookie. And one of my all-time favorites, Vince Carter. It was actually a good pack. I think I already have that Carter. Okay, we'll slide the jersey to the back. Jeremy Lin, Court Kings. Elfrid Payton. It's a nice rookie. Lauri Markkanen rookie. Ben Simmons. JJ Barea. Thaddeus Young. And let's turn it this way. Let's see what we got. Under the Batum. Rookie jerseys for the Suns. Which will be Josh Jackson. There we go. I'll take that. Actually, the 3rd rookie jersey I've pulled of Josh Jackson this year. It's not a bad hit. So let's see the recap. LeBron. So here we go. There's the Jason Tatum rookies. LeBron All-Star, which is my personal favorite. And rookie jerseys, Josh Jackson. So there you have it. That's not bad for a $15 box. Until next time, guys.